Hi, Odin.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing?
Play the hamster with dragon. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Odin's playtime. Here's mine.
So Odin is the green hamster.
Mummy's the pink.
Mummy's pink, and Odin's having dragon play with us today.
He's orange.
So the rules of this game are you make your way around the board. You've got to land on different things, like this one you get a cheese, this one's roll again, this one you spin this spinner, and this one you get a cheese took off you. Once you get on this spinning wheel, it goes round and round, and whoever's left on is the winner and gets to keep all their cheese.
I hope I win.
First up is the youngest, which is Odin.
Which is Dragon. It's smaller than me.
So does Dragon go first?
Yeah.
Dragon at number 1, Odin's at number 2, and then Mummy's at number 3 because she's the oldest. And he got a 1.
He's gonna push 1.
And he gets to roll again.
He's gonna.
And he got a 3.
1, 2, 3.
And he gets a cheese.
1 cheese for Dragon. Uh-oh, he's gonna win.
Now it's Odin's turn.
1, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And you get the spinning wheel.
What is that?
That says back 2. You need to go back 2 spaces. And roll again. And it's a 3.
1, 2, 3. It's a 3. I'm gonna spin this.
No. 1, 2, 3. So you get a cheese.
Yay!
Dragon and Odin have both got cheeses. Now it's Mummy's turn to roll. 3.
1, 2, 3.
I get a spin. Forward 1. I am joining you.
Everyone.
So cheese for Mummy, please.
Cheese. 1 cheese and Mummy. 1 minus 1.
So he goes back a space.
Oh.
Now Dragon gets to spin. And what is that on? Forward 1. Goes back to where he was and he gets another cheese.
Yay! I got a 2.
1, 2, and you get a spin.
Spin!
Swap places with somebody on the board.
I want to swap places with Mum.
So you get another cheese.
Yes. Waggle the tails. Waggle the tails everywhere. Waggle the tails.
We're gonna roll. And then Mummy gets a 2. 1, 2, and that's roll again. Minus 1, so I move back 1 place and I get a cheese.
He just wants to roll. Dragon, roll for him.
He's got a 3.
1, 2, 3.
And he gets another cheese, so now Dragon's on 3.
He's picking this cheese. Dragon over here. Look at my arms bigger than Dragon's. I got a 4. 1, 1, 2, 3. Gonna work it. 1. 1.
You get minus cheese. Odin gets his cheese took off him.
No.
Bye bye cheese. Odin has lost a cheese. Mummy's turn. Mummy's rolls a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get another cheese. What are you gonna roll, Dragon?
I think I'm gonna get a 2. 2.
1, 2, and Dragon loses a cheese too.
Yes. Yes.
Why are you saying yes?
Yes.
There's Dragon's cheese going back in the pile.
2.
Odin's rolled a 2, and he gets a cheese back. Are you happy?
Yes. Which one was my cheese? This was my cheese.
You want the exact same one back?
Yeah.
Mummy's roll.
Mommy's roll got a
3.
3.
1, 2, 3, and I'm on the ladder.
And you go, we go, bada, bada, bada.
Not yet.
Dragon.
What did he get?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Dragon moves back 1, but he gets to roll again.
To me. And he got a 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Another roll again.
I hope he doesn't.
minus 1. So he moves back 1, but he gets another cheese.
My turn. 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm up the ladder. Your turn.
Minus 1. So I move back 1 and I get to spin the wheel.
I hope please make 4.
Steal. That means I get to steal someone's cheese.
Oh, or steal one from here.
Or steal one from there. What am I going to do? Hey, Odin wants us to steal from there, but I think I'm going to steal from Odin.
No! Please don't. I've never stolen your cheese.
Okay, I'll play fair. Since nobody stole mine yet, I'll just take one from there. So now I've got 4 cheeses. Now it is Dragon's turn.
And I can get 2. 1 and 2.
He gets a spin. Back 2. 1, 2, and he gets another cheese. Dragon's got 4 cheeses. 2.
I moved up the ladder.
Mummy's turn.
If I get on here, I have to wait forever. Oh, Dragon.
3. 1, 2, 3, and Mummy's on.
You get in my butt.
1. And he gets to roll again. He got a 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's 3. One more. But I'm in that space, so jump ahead.
No.
So you'll go at the top.
Oh no. Now I'm climbing you up.
So now it's to decide who's the winner. Odin will lower the bridge, and it's whoever can stay on this spinning wheel is the winner. Who's out? Odin's out!
Now Mommy's out. Now 2's left. I'm not out. Million.
Odin's out! That's what you get for cheating! Dragon was the winner.
No! You know what he gets to do?
What?
I wasn't expecting to push me in the face. Bye kids. I hope you get dices up in your engine. Bye. Kids, I have so many cool little pictures. Like the web on the right to